Today we have the last 5 tips that will completely make it 10 tips for exams. Here today we believe that educating yourself is the key, right? Example, you said educating yourself. Keep educating yourself is the key, right? Keep is K, and E is education, and Y is yourself. That's key. First thing we have for you here today is practice on all exams. This will help you to get the form of the questions and time yourself. Time yourself to revise your all exams, your all exam test papers. Try to work hard on them. Never get them and go through them home. Try to get rid of them every time. Read them because they will come back to your next exam. Make sure that you're revising your notes. This will help you to remember everything you read on your own exam. So it will take you back to your final exam questions. Thank you. And number two here is explain your answers to others. Your parents, your little brothers, your sisters don't have to be annoying in exam time. What the more important thing is, you have to get closer to your parents, your brothers, and your sisters. Explain your answer to them. Call little children, 8 years old. Teach them what you learn. It will help you to think more positive, and it will help you to release the negative ideas in your mind, and it will help you also to store new information in your mind for your exams. Very important. Start studying for your exams every single day. And number 3 is food. Try to get good food to eat. Food is the most important thing in our life, and it's the worst distraction every person else can get in life. So try to fight on food. Try to fight against hunger first. If your parents you watching this video, we will ask you to fight on hunger first. Fight on hunger. Get good food for the children before they start studying or before they start going to school. Right? Get them good food. Maybe sugar. In the morning you give them tea, juice. When they get to the exam hall, end of the day they will feel screwed up. So what the most important thing is, get them fish, get them omelette in the morning, eggs and bread, right? And give them apples and other things. It will help them to stay energetic. So we're gonna number 4. Number 4, plan your exam day. Make sure you have everything in advance. Plan your exam day. Never sit down and wait until they say, hey, tomorrow is the exam, and you start saying, hey, I just don't know what I have to do. So you now get your books. You now start reading your books fast, and every second your conscience is telling you, hey, do you remember you have an exam? So you start saying, hey, that's really true. So you don't really even capture the things that the most important thing in your notebook or your textbooks. All you do is tomorrow, hey, I have an exam. That's what I'm supposed to do. But we ask you to have a passion. Find your passion. The most important thing is for you to love what you're doing. If you love what you're doing, that's the way you will be able to create a study for yourself. Without enjoying what you're doing, if you don't enjoy your study, you will just bother yourself to go to the exam hall, and at the end of the day you will sit and say, hey, I just don't know what happened. Everything is just out of my mind. I read that yesterday. Why I doesn't get it again? That is not really helpful. This is why we're telling you have a passion. Find your passion. Education is the best if you have a passion. If you love what you're doing, it's the best. Just like anyone else. You are an engineer, you are anybody else, you are architecture, you will enjoy if you enjoy what you do, you will be innovative, you will be a creator. That's what we want you to be. Right? And number 5 is drink plenty of water. Has a final tip. Drink plenty of water. We will help you some advice here. Drinking water will help you, will give you energy, right? And also make sure you are training give yourself time to train. Maybe you're giving yourself 3 times in a week to have an exercise that will help you to be authentic and energetic too. So drink plenty of water is every time in your study time, you have to have water with you. Every time, maybe you have to drink 5 cups of water every day in your study room. Keep drinking water all the time. And this plenty of water will help you also when you go to the exam hall. If you go to the exam hall, make sure you have a water bottle like this. Have a water bottle like this, or maybe this beautiful water bottle. You know, this one is natural water. We love drinking it. We don't go to the taps and get water to drink because you don't know exactly what happened. But the most important thing is try to get a very cold water bottle, maybe cold water or anything. You just try to keep it. Try to keep it with yourself in exam hall. And if your exam time is 1 hour, every 15 minutes, try to stop and take heap of water and maybe 2 or 3, 4 heap of water, and this will help you to relax and to come back to normal. And maybe your brain is just in a hurry, it's just pumping, you just try to remember everything. But the more you take this heap of water, it will help you to remember the all questions that you read in your books at home. It will really give you a break. Right? So every 15 minutes I will ask you to do. If you do this, we would like you to tell us exactly how the things work with you. Because that's what we're doing, and that's what exactly it really works for us. So this is we would like to tell you this is a good luck. Right? Good luck, and use these ideas every single day will really help you to become the person you want to become. What do you want to become? What do they call success? Success is to become the person you want to become. So, how do you become successful? You have to do the things that will help you to become successful one day. That is why we are here. That's why we call ourselves a person. So try to love yourself and do and enjoy what you have to do. Have a passion. Find your passion. That's the only thing we will advise you here, and we will come up with more ideas about studies. We will help you exactly to tell you that study effectively, scientific studies. Use your study times. Maybe you don't want to spend more time on books, and you want to do very well. So we know that. So we will help you everything possible to make sure that you enjoy what you're doing. Enjoy what you're doing is very important. So thank you very much, and have a very wonderful studies and exams. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.